Welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can reset Instagram feed in your phone. So simply you have to go to your settings of your phone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. So simply go back and just simply go to search bar and just simply search on Instagram. If you find Instagram, just go to Instagram and just go to Instagram app info. Just tap on it and just scroll down and just find a story. Just tap on a storage and you have to make sure that you just clear the cache from here and also clear the data from here. So after clearing the data and clear the cache from here and simply go back to Instagram and again log in. If your problem not gonna fix, just simply tap on Instagram and delete uninstall Instagram and just simply go back to your Play Store and just simply go to search bar and just simply go to search and just simply search on Instagram and just go to search at Instagram and just install the Instagram from the Play Store and same process in the iOS iPhone. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.